Olofin tests the servitude of the Awo, a story inspired by the wisdom of Ifa. In a vibrant village brimming with life, where the rhythms of drums echoed at dusk and the stars lit the paths of the wise, lived an Awo named Ejiogbe. This Ifa priest had earned the admiration of his community through his wisdom and dedication to spiritual work. But, as often happens when one shines brightly, he also attracted the envy of those around him, particularly the elders of his circle. Blinded by jealousy, these elders decided to disrupt his peace. They summoned Ekúté, the spirit of the mouse, to disturb his nights with strange noises and relentless unease. For several nights in a row, Ejiogbe couldn't sleep. His eyes grew heavy with exhaustion and his thoughts restless. But instead of succumbing to despair, he sought guidance from Ifa to find a solution. The oracle advised him to perform a sacrifice, a goat to Esu, a rooster to Ogun, and 2 quails to Oshun. Ejiogbe followed the instructions faithfully, trusting that his devotion would restore the peace he longed for. That very night, while the world slept and the wind whispered through the trees, Ejiogbe discovered the source of his torment. There, in the dim light, was Ekúté, the mouse, its tiny eyes gleaming in the shadows. Yet, instead of chasing or harming it, Ejiogbe chose to speak to it with kindness and love. "Oh, little Ekúté," he said gently, "I know you mean no harm. Please, do not bring illness to my children or cause damage to my belongings." To Ejiogbe's surprise, the mouse responded. In a small but clear voice, Ekúté revealed a profound lesson. Wise Awo, selfless service is the greatest power of a leader. Tomorrow, 3 visitors will come to see you. Welcome them with kindness and follow my instructions. Curious and grateful, Ejiogbe listened carefully as the mouse continued. When the first person arrives, tell them to take their rightful place, for they are Esu. To the second, offer Ekúté, for they are Ogun. And to the third, who will be a woman and a daughter of Oshun, prepare Oshinshin for her. The next day, as Ekúté had foretold, the visitors arrived. Ejiogbe received each one with humility and respect, following the instructions precisely. The first, who was Esu, was pleased and blessed Ejiogbe's path with opportunities. The second, Ogun, granted him strength and protection, and the third, the daughter of Oshun, filled his life with sweetness and prosperity. When all was said and done, Olofin, the great creator, looked upon Ejiogbe with satisfaction, having witnessed his ability to serve others selflessly. As a reward, Olofin bestowed upon him even greater blessings, ensuring that his name would be remembered for generations to come. Thus, Ejiogbe learned that true power lies not in receiving, but in giving, and that even a humble mouse can be a messenger of wisdom when listened to with an open heart.